Hi, and welcome back to this video. Here we're going to be looking at the users not on site report, which will provide a quick list of users who have not signed into your facilities at the time that you pulled that report. This is useful for seeing which staff members have not signed in. For example, it could be that your staff members are working off-site that day, or having an unexpected absence such as illness. So let's jump in and have a look at it. Starting from the dashboard, we're going to be clicking reporting on the left hand side menu, and from that drop down we'll be clicking users not on site. Now here we already have a report run, but let's start from the beginning and then I'll run through the rest. Here we can select the site we would like to pull this report for, and if you do have multiple sites, you can choose as many you would wish. Next, we will select the user types that we would like to include in the report. As you can see, this user type does have an arrow. We can select the child user type specifically, or just stick with the parent, and we can select multiple or as many as we wish. Once you have done this, click the generate button at the bottom. Here you can see a full list of anyone who has not signed in on site at the time that we pulled this report. On the right hand side, we can see an actions column where we can sign in users if we need to. This might be in case that we know a member of staff is on site, but they may have forgotten to sign in on VisiPoint. We can also click update data button, and this will refresh this report to pull the data from the current time, as for anyone that might sign in after we've pulled this report, it's not going to update straight away, so we need to juggle it along a little bit. Now if you did turn a long list such as we have here, and we are looking to see if a particular person is on site, we can search for them by using these columns. You can choose a specific column that you would like to search them for, and it will pull up everyone with the similar things, such as this first name. Now if we want to as well, we can change the criteria of this. We can change it to be one site instead of all of them at all, and we can also select only certain user types instead of pulling them all across. That is if we want to change it to be a specific target rather than everything that we've just done there. Now you may have noticed when we did come on to users not on site function here, there was already a report. That is because once you have ran a report, it will stay there until you come back and regenerate another report by changing the criteria. If this might be something that you use the same search functions each and every day, you may be able to just come back to this function and click update data, so you don't have to click the same things in every time. But if you ever do need to change your report for that one instance that might change, you can click change criteria and run through what we've done before. This report is a handy tool to make it easier to see anyone who is not on site at once, rather than searching for them individually from your main dashboard grid and comparing it to your user base. Thank you for watching in this video, and I shall see you in another one.